In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Flexboxes in Wix Studio. This will take your website design skills to a whole new level, giving you the flexibility to create responsive and dynamic layouts. Whether you're just starting out or looking to refine your design, these steps will guide you through the process with ease. First things first, we're going to add a Flexbox to your site. Begin by heading over to the Add Elements panel. This is where all the magic begins. Once you're there, look for a Flexbox preset that catches your eye and simply drag it onto your page. Don't worry if you're unsure about the number of items or how they're displayed. You can adjust these settings later on as you see fit. To add the Flexbox, click on the Add Elements button located on the left side of the editor. Then navigate to Layout Tools and from there select Flexboxes. Once you've chosen your Flexbox, just drag and drop it onto your page. It's as simple as that. You'll notice that as you drag the handles on your canvas, the content within the Flexbox reorganizes itself smoothly across different breakpoints. This ensures your design remains consistent and visually appealing, no matter what device it's viewed on. Next up, let's add some items to your Flexbox. Remember, a Flexbox is essentially a collection of responsive containers, and you have control over the number of items you want to include. You can change the number of items within your Flexbox and watch as it automatically resizes each one to fit perfectly into the available space. If you want to add a new item, you have a couple of options. You can simply click Add Item, or if you prefer, use the Manage Items panel in the inspector. This gives you intuitive control over your design elements. Moving on, it's time to add elements to your Flexbox. This is where you can showcase exactly what you want your visitors to see. By choosing specific elements to display within each item, you can create a unique experience tailored to any device. Maybe you want certain elements to be visible only on a desktop or hidden on mobile. You have the power to do that. To get started, click on Add Elements on the left side of the editor. Select the type of element you want to incorporate and click on your chosen element to add it to your page. Then drag this element to one of the Flexbox items and release it when you see the Attach prompt. This ensures that your element is perfectly positioned within the item. And there you have it. Simple and straightforward steps to add Flexboxes to your Wix Studio project. With this additional layer of design versatility, you'll be creating stunning, responsive websites in no time.